This is one of the events that I've seen a lot of unity. Please, let's come this way more often. Let's come together and make our community a better place. We are very powerful in so many ways that we don't think of. Let's take this one as a stepping stone and involve our children, involve our community, and make it a better place. Thank you very much.
Anyway, thank you everybody. I've never been recognized before. This is my first. I did not write a speech. The only thing is that of all the people you have seen here, look how they're dressed. I mean, my dry cleaner was closed at 12. I thought they were closing at 5. So, money is safe. It's not going to drop out of this fence. It's okay. But, what you see, I've been in the U.S., I think, almost 18 years. I've appreciated every Kisii who has been in the U.S. The only problem as Kisiis we have, this is one thing we don't tell each other. We sengenya each other too much. When you see somebody making it, unamsengenya. Me, I'm not making it because my clothes are torn anyway. So just let's make that clear. The thing is this. The other thing we forget to do is this. We don't support each other. When you make it, you forget the other friend who helped you to be where you are. That's one thing we forget to do. And we look down upon those ones who are not making it. Let's not do that. If you find somebody on the street, a Kisii person on the street, be a Kisii enough, be a Kenyan enough to tell them, you know, I have a house, I have an apartment, there is a living room, you can sleep until you get yourself to where you want to be. It's not by mistake that some of us, we drop off the radar and you find us drinking and we forget what we came to the U.S. to do. Also, there's the other thing we need to be careful. If you're drinking tonight and you feel like you cannot drive, please ask somebody who can drive to drive you home. We mess up our names just being a Kisii. Seeing yourself in a newspaper saying, you know, this guy was driving home drunk and he was given an interview. Some of those things we need to avoid them. Be careful what you do. Today is one of those days, you know, these guys outside here, they're looking for Kisiis more special. Thank you.
Thank you. I know I said a lot earlier on. It's the time just to thank the people who have made this thing a success. It's not easy to put anything together. Like Aseno said, I put my hands in all businesses. We were among the first Kenyan pharmacists in the Texas area. But now we have a lot of pharmacists and we are very proud of it. We are among the first people to have a car lot. Now we have a lot of car lots owned by Kisiis. We are among the first people to have trucking companies. Now we have trucking companies everywhere. We are among the first people to do network marketing. Now everybody, I had somebody say Meruruka, everybody is trying to do network marketing. Why do we do all that? We like to mentor our people. We appreciate everybody. If you need any help, we are always there to help you. I'm not proud of myself, I'm proud of our people. People need help, we need to help them when they need the help. Don't talk about them, help them. Thank you very much, I love you all, thank you.
fashion and beauty promoter among the youth. And this is none other than Lily Baus. Lily Baus. We're moving on. And we have another very special gentleman tonight, organizing secretary of a very important entity called GUSI International Community Organization. Without an organizing secretary, an organization doesn't have an engine to run it. We have a very special person tonight, and let us introduce to you none other than this special guy. His name is Gideon Ogati. Gideon Ogati. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're carrying on, we're almost done, but next is this gentleman. He's funny, he's very funny, he's personable, he entertains us, he talks good, he's a politician, and he's also a radio personality. Every time where you are, you won't find him sad, he'll always be smiling and laughing. He's a nice person indeed. Let me introduce to you none other than Felix Nyangate, politician and radio personality. Felix Nyangate, congratulations as we put our hands together, and put your hands together one more time for Felix. Felix Nyangate. And DJ, you can play some music for him. Of Nyabigenge, Bonchari constituency, on behalf of my wife who couldn't make it tonight. Yes, thank you. Pakumpigia makofi, very nice. Estella. On behalf of my mother, a very strong community organizer in Nyabigenge 2, ninasema asante sana, and this is a big award. Asomo GUSI is about this. So thank you so much, Mr. Stevenson. You're doing a wonderful job for us. And on behalf of one of my best voter, Mr. Eric Samuel, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.